Hello, boss. Looking for storage baskets that sell fast? We are a professional factory specializing in 100% handmade crochet storage baskets, crafted from eco-friendly cotton rope and t-shirt yarn. With years of experience, we have been supplying wholesalers, retailers, and Amazon sellers worldwide, helping them scale their businesses with high-quality, in-demand products. Our baskets are designed for modern homes, offering both style and functionality. From organizing kids' toys to storing blankets, clothes, and bathroom essentials, our storage solutions fit seamlessly into any space. Whether for home organization, retail stores, or e-commerce platforms, our products are hot-selling and highly rated by customers. With factory direct pricing, OEM and ODM services, and low MOQs, we make it easy for businesses to launch or expand their storage basket collections. Our production is fast, and our shipping is reliable, ensuring you get top-quality products on time. Demand is high, and stock is moving fast. Don't miss out. DM us now to get a quote and start growing your business today.